Hello friends, my name is Saruk Dubey and today I am going to show you how to change app icon in your Android app. It's very simple. First, here you will see app option and just right click here and here new option and you have to click image asset. Just click here and now click on the path. Here is three dots and now you have to select your app icon. So my app icon in my home directory here. Just select your logo PNG file and click on OK. And here we will see we have changed our logo and just click on next and then finish. Okay. Now finally you have changed your app icon successfully. There is no problem with it. You will see whenever you install your app in any form. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, you can ask me on comment. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.